Bitcoin trades under $28,000, Ether trades above $1,800. Estonia slashes crypto-friendly incentives ahead of MiCA. Europe's crypto regulation can be a model for rules in US, says Hester Pierce. Marathon Digital announces immersion crypto mining operations in Abu Dhabi. Crypto media outlet Blockworks raises $12 million at $135 million valuation. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed on Wednesday as investors have opted for caution ahead of various economic data releases, including the US CPI data for the month of April. Bitcoin hovered near $27,600 mark, while Ethereum traded below $1,850 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies were trading down by 0.8% at 37,981 points. Investors across the board will be watching the CPI for clues about how the US Federal Reserve will act at its next policy meeting in June. However, hotter than expected inflation numbers would fuel bets of a 25 basis point June interest rate hike. Significantly, the markets would delay expectations of an interest rate cut and consider a hard landing. The April US inflation report will provide clues as to whether the Federal Reserve will pause rate hikes at its meeting next month on June 13th to 14th. In an interesting news, the trading volume of the ATOM token based on Cosmos, a platform for smart contracts, and the Filecoin token, a decentralized network, both witnessed increase in prices. However, the increase in activity, probably related to network congestion on the blockchains of Bitcoin and Ethereum, caused investors to switch to different alternatives. Edward Moya, a senior market analyst for foreign exchange Oanda, in a note underlined that the macro backdrop remains unchanged over the past few weeks. He went on to add, watchers will be focusing on Binance and whether people are seriously storing cryptos in cold wallets. Bitcoin was trading at $27,574, down 0.19%. Going forward, market participants anticipate US inflation data to increase 0.4% month-on-month basis in the month of April and 5% year-on-year basis respectively. Bitcoin Cash, a decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system and hard fork of the Bitcoin network, which was created to allow more transactions in a single block, soared more than 10% in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin witnessing losses since the beginning of the week. As demand for Bitcoin ordinals increased over the weekend, network congestion caused transactions cost to soar, which led to the price decline of Bitcoin. Stock futures fell as Wall Street braced for a key inflation report. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 35 points or 0.1%, while S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures also pulled back by 0.1% each. Solana Saga, Solana's flagship Android phone, is now accessible to the general public in a selected nation, including the US, Canada, European Union, UK, Switzerland, Australia, and New Zealand. The phone provides high-end mobile experience with varied features including Web3 transactions, NFT minting, and access to decentralized applications. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.13%, trading at $1,842. Solana SOL was down 0.31% and was trading at $20.6. BNB was down by 1.34% to trade at $311. Cardano's AD token was down by 1.6% to trade at $0.35. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15.2, lower 1.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.4% to trade at $0.8. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.1% at $0.07. Polkadot was down by 0.5% to trade at $5.3. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.42, up by 0.49%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Estonia has given up on its brief attempt to become a world leader in the digital asset industry, with more stringent crypto licensing rules set to come into effect on June 15. Estonia once enjoyed international attention for its crypto initiatives. In 2019, PricewaterhouseCoopers issued a report praising Estonia's efforts to implement blockchain for digital IDs, driver's licenses, e-residency, and governance technologies. Similarly, the World Economic Forum lauded Estonia's efforts to digitize government and healthcare services in 2020. Last year, Estonia was home to half of the world's virtual asset service providers. Unfortunately, bad actors abused Estonia's previously lax rules for obtaining a license. Shell companies were bought in the country and used for shady activities. Operators often did not have a physical presence in the country. The problems that have emerged from Estonia's lax licensing requirements are already being reduced. The recent enactment of the Money Laundering and Terrorist Financing Prevention Act, which came into effect on March 15, has led to over 200 digital asset providers abandoning their licenses. Estonia also suspended hundreds of additional licenses due to its failure to meet these new requirements. Its recent crackdown has left only 100 licensed digital asset service providers in Estonia compared to a previous peak of nearly 650. Europe's landmark crypto regulation could serve as a model for the US, a top American regulator has said. Hester, a commissioner at the Securities and Exchange Commission, who has previously been outspoken in her support for crypto, expressed her admiration for the speed at which the European Union put together its digital finance package. Markets in crypto assets was passed by the European Parliament last month, putting in place a comprehensive framework for crypto regulation across the 27-country bloc. MiCA can serve as a model for us, Pearce said at the Financial Times Crypto and Digital Assets Summit in London on Wednesday. She added that the UK's efforts to build a crypto-friendly regulatory regime could also serve as inspiration to the US. She said she was in favor of a system that informs customers of the risks and figuring out a regulatory model that allows for innovation, which I think is something that you all take very seriously here. Crypto mining firm Marathon Digital Holdings announced it has partnered with digital asset infrastructure company 02 to create a large-scale immersion Bitcoin mining facility in Abu Dhabi. In a May 9 notice, Marathon Digital said the joint venture will be based in Mina Zayed and Masdar City in the United Arab Emirates, comprising 2 mining sites with a combined 250 megawatt capacity. According to the firm, Marathon and 02 plan to power the facilities with excess energy from Abu Dhabi's grid, claiming it will increase its base load and sustainability. Crypto mining in the desert climate of Abu Dhabi, where the average annual temperature is roughly 28 degrees Celsius, was often infeasible, according to Marathon Digital. The firm said it helped develop a custom-built immersion solution to cool mining rigs at the proposed facilities, suggesting a liquid cooling solution. Ownership of the project, called the Abu Dhabi Global Markets JV entity, will be split between 02 and Marathon Digital, with 2 companies controlling 80% and 20% respectively. The 2 firms expect both Abu Dhabi facilities to be online by 2024 and produce a combined hash rate of roughly 7 exahash per second. Crypto media outlet Blockworks has raised $12 million in a funding round led by private equity firm 10T Holdings at a $135 million post-money valuation. The capital will be used to help expand the outlet's research and data analytics offering, Blockworks Research. Framework Ventures and Santiago Santos also participated in the round. The new investment comes during a particularly difficult time for crypto-focused publications due to the extended bear market and a number of high-profile scandals that have further rocked the industry. The block revealed in December secret financial ties to Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research. And CoinDesk's parent company, Digital Currency Group, announced on Tuesday that it is looking to refinance the outstanding obligations owed to its BlackRock lending division genesis. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Certain traders recently discounted NFTs from the Bored Ape Yacht collection in order to invest in the now trending meme coin Pepe. The asset has been one of the best performers in the crypto market recently, with its price increasing by over 600% in the last 2 weeks before falling back in the last 24 hours. Cyrus, a popular Twitter user, recently revealed that some traders sold 14 BAYC NFTs below their floor price over the weekend. They used the 672 ETH from the deals, which were worth more than $1.2 million at the time, to purchase Pepe. The crypto community was split on the move, with some arguing that dealing with the meme coin right now could be quite profitable. Others believe the hype around the token has reached such a high level that an upcoming crash seems inevitable. Furthermore, Pepe was trading 7% higher in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 million. Overnight, a new dog-themed meme coin Ben emerged to challenge Pepe. Ben the dog instantly pumped 92% on the launch and has been increasing throughout the day. Furthermore, the bizarre meme coin project is linked to the controversial cryptocurrency YouTuber Ben Bitboy Armstrong. According to CoinGecko, the rapidly emerging dog-themed meme coin has already entered the top 500 by global market capitalization. Ben has risen by 176.5% in less than 24 hours and now ranks 481 with a market capitalization of $40.5 million. The newly born canine meme coin already has nearly 6,000 Telegram followers, and Twitter trends indicate widespread interest in the new token. Furthermore, Ben.eth, the project's co-founder, urges the crypto community to sell their Pepe and all other meme coin tokens as soon as possible before it's too late. While many crypto enthusiasts on Twitter dismiss Ben as a one-night stand between Bitboy and Ben the dog, crypto traders are perplexed that the meme coin has been listed by major exchanges in less than 24 hours after its launch. Indeed, L-Bank, the world's 17th largest cryptocurrency exchange, was the first to accept a Ben just a few hours ago. Ben was trading 43% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 million and was trading 1,276% in the last 7 days. There is only one more puzzle to solve in the Ethereum Chapella upgrade that enabled staked Ethereum withdrawals. Lido is the solution to that puzzle. The largest liquid staking derivative protocol has set a date for allowing staking withdrawals, with $500 million in ETH set to enter the market. The protocol's governing body, Lido DAO, announced on Twitter on Tuesday that staked Ethereum withdrawals will be available next week. The DAO announced that the final vote for the Lido V2 upgrade will take place on May 12th. The vote will last 3 days, and if no last-minute changes are being made, the vote is successful. Lido will allow withdrawals on May 15th. There are approximately 270,000 ETH locked in Lido's smart contracts worth $500 million at the current ETH price of $1,844. Following the upgrade, stakers who staked with Lido will be able to exchange their staked Ethereum for Ethereum for the first time since the Beacon chain's launch in December 2020. Withdrawal requests, according to Lido, are likely to be serviced more quickly during the first 3 days. Lido was trading at $1.8, up 2.22% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.